Hey everyone, it's Yoslyn and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be building a headboard I got from IKEA. I thought this was going to be a fun video to film because I'm redecorating my room and I've been building a lot of furniture, so I thought I'd give you guys a sneak peek of what my room's going to look like by building this headboard. I'm going to be doing a room tour soon once my room's complete. I've built all the furniture that was going to be in my room and I just haven't shown it to you guys yet, but the only thing that I've shown you so far is the headboard that's in this video. So if you want to see what this headboard looks like, then just keep on watching. Okay, so this is the bed that I'm building, well, the bed frame that I'm building. So it's the Brim's bed frame from IKEA. So I have all the pieces right there and I already have my bed made, but I'm not going to show you guys that yet because I'm going to show that in another video. But in this video, I'm just making the bed frame. So I'm going to set the camera up so I can start building this. I'm in my pajamas right now, but let's just ignore that. And I'm going to be following the instructions that it comes with. And it says that I need these pieces right here, so I'm going to get those. I think I found them though, pretty sure. So it comes with a bag full of all the little small pieces like screws and stuff like that. So I'm gonna open this up. And literally I can't lose like one of these. It doesn't come with extras. I'm gonna do a whole new room tour and stuff like that as well because my room's gonna look completely different because I'm getting like different furniture and stuff like that. But I'm not gonna do a room tour until later on, until I have like everything ready, because right now it's not all ready. But I'm doing the headboard, so I'm gonna get back to you guys once I finish this step. So this is gonna be in time lapse. Okay, so far that's where I'm at. I got some tools because I don't know if I'm gonna need them. Well, I know I'm gonna need them for this next step. But yeah, I just got like a hammer and stuff like that. And right now I'm currently on step number 3. So I already attached the pieces together and I put the screws in, and now I have to tighten them with this. So this is the next thing that I have to do. So I'm going to do that now. Okay, so now that I put these little screws in, I'm going to be putting these in, and they have like little sides where you just slide this into, and this is just a thin piece of wood, and it's just going to go in that section and that section. So I'm going to do that now. Okay, so this is how it's looking so far, and now I'm on this step, and basically I have to put screws in and then put the top on it. So this is where I'm at so far. Okay, so I added that on. I'm on step number 8 now, so I'm right here, and I'm adding more screws on. I have my screws right here, and I'm about to add them on. Earlier I had to stand the headboard up so I could like put the top on easier, but yeah, now I'm gonna put the screws in. I kind of did a lot of stuff because it was taking me like a long time to film, so I just decided to do a lot of it off camera. But it was on camera, but it was fast forward. But now I am building like the little side part like this. That's what I'm doing so far. I'm just connecting the two. I have one done over there and I need another one. Then I'm going to connect them onto the headboard. That is what I'm doing right now. Okay, so this is how the headboard is looking so far, as you guys can see. I just need to put these pieces so that the little screws can lock, but these are gonna be like shelves. So there's that, and I'm gonna add these pieces on to the headboard now. So that was me building this headboard, and if you guys enjoyed this video, then don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!